We're going to play two tunes by it may be a hard thing to believe, but there are superstars in the piping world, and these are two tunes composed by one such a superstar, piper by the name of Gordon Duncan, who passed away almost 20 years ago. And he has written some of the most popular tunes, not just pipe tunes, but tunes anywhere. And these two tunes are two of his most popular. The first tune is a slower tune called The Sleeping Tune, and it has a bit of a neat story behind it. He was playing at a big piping competition in Lorient, France, the Festival Entre Celtique. And he won, the prize is called the Macallan Trophy, which, as you might expect, the first prize was a bottle of Macallan whiskey and a bunch of money. He promptly drank the bottle of Macallan whiskey and used the prize money to procure more of the same. And he woke up in the pub the next morning with an industrial strength hangover and this tune in his head. And he didn't know where it came from. He thought it was just some tune that he picked up, and he played it for everyone he knew, and no one else knew it. The only thing he could figure that is that he composed it in his sleep, hence the sleeping tune. And then we're going to play another tune of his, a reel called Pressed for Time. Thank you.